let's take the last ride on the internet elevator at Sears and Roebuck. This is at Polaris Fashion Place, and it's also a 2001 Schindler hydraulic elevator. So, with that being said, hope you enjoyed the video and subscribe. This will be the internal elevator at Sears and Roebuck at Polaris Fashion Place, Columbus, Ohio. Buns burnt out.
You're gonna leave this up here?
No.
You're gonna take it in there?
Yeah. It's gonna be the final ride because it's closing in March. It's gonna be the final ride.
Well, I don't think we'll be back here again.
L1. Wow, closes instantly. Smells like hydraulic oil. It's kind of like Robinson Mall. It's just very depressing to see all these Sears closings. It's a very convenient store. You can get tools. Re-leveled. U2. This is the first floor. This is the first floor. Door closed by the stop work. Installed in 2001. Oh wow! Nice elevator through your fixtures, empty, ADA compliant phone. There it goes, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to O's Elevator Fan 102. R.I.P. Sears Polaris Fashion Place, 2001 to 2019. You'll forever be missed.